Welcome, dear friends. Today we're going to explore a powerful technique that can help you erase negative karma in just 24 hours. Karma, at its core, is the law of cause and effect. It's the energy you put out into the world and the energy you receive back. If you find yourself stuck in a cycle of negativity, it's time to break free. This process involves self-awareness, compassion, and a willingness to transform your thoughts. Let's begin by understanding that your thoughts shape your reality. Every thought you think is a declaration to the universe. So if you find yourself dwelling on negative experiences, it's time to change that narrative. Begin by acknowledging those feelings. Sit in a quiet space and allow yourself to feel. It's okay to feel sad, angry, or hurt. Emotions are natural and valid, but they shouldn't define you. Once you've acknowledged those feelings, it's essential to release them. Imagine each negative thought as a balloon. As you breathe in, visualize yourself holding onto these balloons tightly. Then, as you exhale, imagine releasing them into the sky. Watch them float away, taking with them the weight of negativity. This simple visualization can be incredibly freeing. Next, let's shift our focus to forgiveness. Forgiveness doesn't mean condoning someone's actions. It's about freeing yourself from the burden of resentment. Start with self-forgiveness. Ask yourself, what do I need to forgive myself for? Write it down if you need to. Allow yourself to feel the weight of those words, and then when you're ready, say out loud, I forgive myself for, insert your words. I release this burden. Affirmations are powerful tools that can shift your mindset. For instance, you might say, I am worthy of love and joy, or I attract positivity into my life. Repeat these affirmations daily, especially in the morning when you wake up and at night before you go to bed. Your words are a reflection of your beliefs. By affirming positive statements about yourself and your life, you begin to rewrite your story. Imagine waking up each day feeling empowered and loved. This shift in mindset can have a ripple effect on every aspect of your life. Another technique to erase negative karma is to practice gratitude. Start a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. This could be anything from a warm cup of coffee in the morning to the laughter of a loved one. Focusing on the positive aspects of your life can help shift your perspective and raise your vibration. When you're in a state of gratitude, it's challenging for negativity to take root. Additionally, consider engaging in acts of kindness. When you give to others, you create a cycle of positivity that comes back to you. This could be as simple as complimenting someone or helping a friend in need. Each act of kindness sends a powerful message to the universe. I choose love and positivity. Let's also take a moment to focus on visualization again. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and visualize your life free of negativity. Picture yourself surrounded by light and love. Imagine your ideal life. What does it look like? How does it feel? Allow yourself to immerse in that vision. The more vividly you can imagine it, the more real it becomes. When we hold on to negative experiences, we often build walls around ourselves. It's essential to dismantle those walls and allow love and light to flow in. Think of vulnerability and authenticity. Share your journey with others. When we share, we connect, and connection fosters healing. Now, let's talk about the power of the present moment. Often we get caught up in the past or worry about the future. The truth is, the only moment we truly have is now. Practice mindfulness by engaging in activities that ground you in the present. This could be through meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even simply taking a moment to appreciate your surroundings. When you find your mind wandering to past regrets or future anxieties, gently bring it back to the present. Remind yourself that you are safe, loved, and exactly where you need to be. This practice can significantly reduce anxiety and allow you to fully experience life. Additionally, consider incorporating rituals into your daily routine. Rituals can be powerful tools for transformation. Light a candle and set an intention for the day. Take a moment to meditate on what you want to manifest. By creating rituals, you honor your journey and set the stage for positive change. As you begin on this journey to erase negative karma, surround yourself with positivity. This might mean spending time with uplifting people, consuming uplifting content, or engaging in activities that bring you joy. Your environment plays a crucial role in shaping your mindset, so choose wisely. Let's take a moment to revisit the concept of self-love. Loving yourself is not selfish, it's essential. Acknowledge your worth and celebrate your uniqueness. Each day, remind yourself of the qualities you love about yourself. Write them down and read them aloud. This simple act can significantly boost your self-esteem and create a sense of empowerment. Imagine each day as a blank canvas. The choices you make and the thoughts you entertain are the colors with which you paint your life. If you want to see vibrant hues of happiness and peace, you must consciously select thoughts that align with those feelings. One powerful exercise is to keep a daily journal. Each evening, write down 3 positive experiences from your day, no matter how small they may seem. Over time, you'll cultivate a mindset that seeks out the positive even amidst challenges. Another effective technique is to visualize your ideal self and the life you wish to create. Visualizing is not just about imagining, it's about feeling the emotions associated with that vision. Take a few moments each day to sit in silence and envision yourself living your best life. What does that look like? How do you feel? Feel the joy, the gratitude, and the love. When you regularly connect with that vision, you start to align your actions and thoughts with it, setting the stage for that reality to manifest. Let's also talk about the importance of self-care in this process. Self-care isn't merely indulgence, it's a necessary practice for your well-being. It's about prioritizing yourself and recognizing that you are worthy of love and attention. Whether it's enjoying a warm bath, going for a walk in nature, or simply taking time to read a book, self-care helps recharge your energy. When you care for yourself, you naturally raise your vibration, making it easier to attract positive experiences. Now, let's shift our focus to the impact of affirmations in transforming your mindset. Affirmations can be incredibly powerful tools for altering your subconscious beliefs. As you repeat positive affirmations, you are rewiring your brain to accept these truths as reality. It's essential to create affirmations that resonate deeply with you, reflecting your desires and aspirations. Make them specific and present tense, such as I am filled with joy and radiate positivity, or I attract abundance and success effortlessly. In addition to affirmations, consider the power of surrounding yourself with positive influences. The people you spend time with significantly impact your mindset and energy. Seek out those who uplift and inspire you, who encourage your growth and celebrate your victories. Engaging in positive relationships nurtures your spirit and reinforces the idea that you are deserving of love and joy. Additionally, engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment can significantly impact your overall energy. Whether it's painting, gardening, or dancing, finding a passion can help lift your spirits and create a sense of purpose. This connection to your passions not only elevates your mood, but also invites positive energy into your life. Moreover, consider exploring practices such as meditation and mindfulness. Both can help ground you in the present moment, making it easier to let go of negative thoughts and emotions. Meditation allows you to observe your thoughts without judgment, creating a space where you can acknowledge but not cling to negativity. Mindfulness encourages you to appreciate the beauty in the present, fostering gratitude and awareness. As you continue to cultivate these practices, keep in mind that healing is not linear. There will be days when you feel empowered and joyful, and others when you may struggle. This is a natural part of the process. Be gentle with yourself during challenging times. Instead of criticizing yourself for feeling low, acknowledge that it's okay to have those feelings and take steps to nurture yourself back to a positive state. Opening your heart involves being vulnerable and allowing yourself to experience emotions fully. This might include expressing your feelings to trusted friends or engaging in creative outlets that allow you to process your emotions. As we conclude our discussion on erasing negative karma, take a moment to reflect on the practices you can incorporate into your daily life. The journey to healing and transformation is a continuous process, and every step you take is significant. Recognize that you are not alone in this journey. Everyone faces challenges, but by choosing to address negativity and cultivate a positive mindset, you empower yourself to create a life of abundance and joy. In closing, I invite you to be proactive in your healing. Take these techniques to heart and integrate them into your daily routine. The power to shift your karma lies within you. You are the architect of your own life, capable of creating a reality filled with love and positivity. As we wrap up, I encourage you to reflect on what you've learned today. If you found value in this message, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Your support means the world and allows us to continue sharing these empowering messages. Feel free to share this content with friends or family who may benefit from it. Together we can create a ripple effect of positivity and healing in the world. Remember, every like and subscription helps us reach more hearts and spread the message of love and self-empowerment. Thank you for joining me today. Note, the power to transform your life is always within you. Let's keep the conversation going. Like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your journey to erasing negative karma begins now, and I'm so grateful to be a part of it with you.